Amidst Greece's diverse industrial landscape, spanning vital sectors like tourism, shipping, and manufacturing, lies a tapestry of challenges shaped by its unique geography and strategic location. But amidst these challenges emerges EDDY Pump, a beacon of innovation and efficiency in Greece's industrial panorama. EDDY Pump stands ready to revolutionize material transfer and infrastructure maintenance across key sectors by offering state-of-the-art slurry pumps and dredging equipment. Explore our tailored solutions designed precisely to meet Greece's industrial needs, from the bustling ports of Piraeus to the picturesque islands of Rhodes and Corfu. With cutting-edge technology at its core, EDDY Pump is poised to tackle the logistical hurdles unique to Greece's industrial landscape. Let's delve into the arsenal of EDDY Pump's offerings. From submersible slurry pumps to flooded suction pumps, each meticulously engineered to efficiently handle Greece's diverse terrains and industry-specific challenges. Imagine a country where tourism thrives on pristine beaches and bustling ports, and shipping routes depend on navigable waterways. EDDY Pump steps in with solutions tailored to navigate Greece's intricate coastal networks and maintain operational continuity year-round. EDDY Pump's suite of solutions addresses Greece's unique challenges across various industries, from ensuring efficient material transfer and manufacturing to maintaining harbor accessibility for the shipping industry. EDDY Pump's self-priming slurry pumps prove indispensable in enhancing operational efficiency. Our hydraulic dredging equipment ensures the upkeep of vital water channels, with a presence spanning key regions like Athens, Thessaloniki, and Patras. We're your local partner committed to Greece's industrial growth. Discover the power of EDDY Pump's rental services today and join us in shaping Greece's industrial future. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.